What's going on YouTube? It's your guy TopDownKickz back with another banger. For today's video, I got a pair of retro Jordan 6. They are called the Flint 6s. And as you can tell in the video, man, these shoes got like a little chemical burnt on front of the lip. I tried to paint over that. I tried to restore that area, but it's a no-go due to the material it's like a leather suede. It's really difficult to like fix that. So instead, we just gonna do a suede dye. So let's jump straight into the video. First thing first, you want to take the laces out of the shoes. Next step, we're going to take a brush, soap, and we're going to clean up that front toe area. We're going to get it really nice and cleaned up so we can get it prepped very nicely so we can proceed to our suede dye. You're going to need black paint, brush, water to create suede dye. And you're going to take a brush and just pop that suede out a little bit. It helps. Take a pair of shoe trees, put it in the shoe. It helps uncrease, it reshapes the shoe, and it helps while you're working on the shoe. For making your own black dye, I don't have any measures. I just use water, black paint, and I just mix in a little bit well, and I apply down slowly, not all the way down to the front toe of the shoe, because you don't want to have any bleeding, any mess ups, and you don't want to go backwards and fix any errors. Just take your time and you'll be okay. Try to apply a couple coats, let it dry, bust out that brush, pop it back out, and jump right back in. And don't forget to use masking tape on the side of your Jordan logo tabs. You know, you want to fold those up, get them out the way so they won't get painted on, you know, and proceed. This is the results. Man, I did a great job. It took me about a day and a half due to like having to let it cure between, you know, couple coats and whatnot. And I also iced these bad boys. I just never gotten the chance to record it before, but I'm gladly that I got the chance to show you guys how to do a suede dye. And if you made it this far, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.